is the 1997 Holiday Rambler Endeavor that we remodeled the inside, and I'm going to walk you through what we did on the inside and show you pictures of what it looked like to begin with, but kind of show you also that we have clear up on top. It's kind of hard to see. And I can kind of zoom in. There's the edge of where the solar is. 1,000 watts of solar up on the roof. We'll get back out of that. We're still thinking about possibly repainting the whole thing. Not sure if we're going to do that or not. If we do, it'll be our project for spring. Bikes are on the back. Alright, let's go. This is the remodel of our 1997 Holiday Rambler. When you first go inside, we have the shoe rack built here. The seats turn towards us and we put the TV up there. It's hinged, so when we drive it goes up and latches. And then this was something we just installed, but when we are hooked up somewhere we can have a fireplace. So that's that, and that runs off solar for the light, but of course not the heater on solar. We do, however, have 1,000 watts of solar and 4 lithium batteries. We repainted all of the cupboards. Kind of go around and get a shot back from here. And the beautiful white and teal blue. The whole kitchen area was redone. Kind of walk through here and show some of the details. That's a pantry over there. Kitchen. We replaced the flooring and put nice wood flooring down, and then we took out the couch and put a chair and a beautiful little table for breakfast coffee, or also for a computer and work. As far as the bed goes, this is actually like a trundle style bed. So we took out the dinette, and it's like a twin, a little bigger than a twin actually, on the top. And then if you hang on a second, I can show you the bottom. Pulls all the way out. I can't get it completely right now. Into a second full bed. Kinda hard to show in tight quarters, but it's 2 full beds with 2 full mattresses. Let me see if I can get a better angle from this side. Now that's not pulled all the way out. It will go all the way across the floor. Put that back in. Now we took out the original fridge. It used to be here, and I wanted more pantry space, so the top part is all pantry and food, kind of messy in there, but the bottom part we actually made a plug and put in our electric stove, so when we're hooked up I can also cook with my air fryer stove here, which is a very nice feature. And that goes at the bottom. And of course is over here, so this is perfect for spices and some of the little cat's food and decorations that we did. There's another one. Painted the light fixture to match silver. Alright, so here's another kind of view. So that's the kitchen, office / TV and sleeping area. And again. So now we kind of go into the bathroom, where we did do the teal and the white colors as well. And you can see it's tighter quarters in here, so it's a little harder to see. Yeah. go. Put in a new cabinet area here and built shelf space on the side. Of course, your lovely toilet. We redid that out. Full-size closet in here. And it stores a ton, as well as, this is the hard part, this is the door. This is meant for if you want extra storage space or a washer and dryer. We opted not to get the washer and dryer, but we made a spot for our fridge. Try and get in here. That runs off solar in here. And it's a mini fridge, but it's got a huge freezer. Like, we can store a ton in that freezer. And then the fridge is actually quite sufficient. We have our solar set up. That's one of the controllers up there. Hard to see. More storage on top. And then down here, if we can see, is our other solar thing back there. And then this is the spot for our dirty laundry. And like I said, we have 4 lithium batteries and 100 each, plus 1,000 watts on the roof. So kind of get another view. I back way out into here of the bathroom through here. You just kind of see the hallway mostly. But now we go into my favorite room, which used to be the back bedroom, and now it's my office / extra bed area that usually is for the dogs or me to read. We built this in back. Nice day bed. Window. Go to, let me see if I can get a little extra light in here. Go to this side, and I have some pictures. I have my Pac-Man machine for when I get bored, which is really fun. My TV. And lots of storage for everything I need. Kind of go down like that. Okay, and even under this day bed, we made more storage so I can store my canvas prints under there that I have, and makeup and stuff like that for my photography sessions. And now we go to the other side. There's one of my computers in that corner. Some more decorations up here. And then you have my computer desk set up over here, which is pretty much my favorite part of this whole thing, but of course that's where I work the most. So, and underneath I have another storage container and my camera bags and everything, my monitors, and my laptop. So I actually have the PC and the laptop. Kind of go back like this and get another view. And yes, we did the wood floor here as well. So let's get another angle of everything that we did back here. Back out a little. And the floor. And then show walking through to the front. Again, through the bathroom. Most of the pictures that are hanging in here I have taken on some of my trips, so that means a lot to me. And then back out into the living room, kitchen, extra office, TV space. Oh, I did forget. On the back side of the shoe, we built a shoe station. We built a spot, or I guess I didn't build, but it's for the cat litter and the cat box, so he has his privacy away from the dogs. And there's the cat. He's the only one in here right now because the doggies are outside. Alright, that is it. That's a wrap on our total remodel of our 1997 Holiday Rambler Endeavor.